In this video, we'll demonstrate how to use display capture in OBS Studio on Media Magnet Guide. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn about display capture in OBS, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get started. First, select a scene or create a new one in OBS. Click on the plus icon in the source panel to add a new source. Choose Display Capture from the options. Name your source and press OK. Now click on the Display menu and choose the screen you want to capture. If you have a single monitor, it will be automatically selected. Any game or window displayed on the chosen screen will be captured using Display Capture. Keep in mind that minimized windows won't be visible. If you want to hide your cursor, simply uncheck the corresponding box. Click OK to confirm your settings. If your screen doesn't match your OBS canvas, you may need to resize the source layer. Right-click on the selected source, go to Transform, and choose Fit to Screen. Your display capture is now set up in OBS. This powerful feature allows you to seamlessly capture and share the content on your chosen screen. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. Let viewers know they can find more tutorials at our website, MediaMagnetGuide.com. Thank you for joining us on Media Magnet Guide, and happy capturing with display capture in OBS Studio.